Sinus and nose congestion most commonly occurs as a result of a cold, virus, or bacterial infection. Symptoms include a sore throat, a runny nose, and coughing, among others. There are a number of simple home remedies that a person can try to help relieve these symptoms. A person can also use OTC medications such as nasal sprays. They should consider seeing a doctor when their symptoms do not go away or become worse, and the doctor will be able to work out what is causing a person's infection and prescribe appropriate medication if necessary. What's actually causing blocked feeling? When you've got a cold or allergies, the membranes lining your nasal passages become inflamed and irritated. They begin to make more mucus to flush out whatever causes the irritation, such as an allergen. Consequently, the simple act of breathing can be a challenge. Whatever the cause, a sinus infection, allergies, a cold, or the flu, dealing with congestion can leave you feeling tired and dreary. Although over-the-counter options, such as decongestants, are often used to treat the stuffiness and headache caused by congestion, there's significant risk of becoming dependent on these drugs, and they can leave you worse off in other ways, too. But some home remedies for mild sinus congestion can offer a simpler approach that's both low cost and lower risk than medication. Even drinking plain old warm water may help clear your sinus passages. And you may already have other powerful ingredients on hand, like salt or garlic, in your pantry, both of which researchers believe may have an effect on congestion and colds. Stay hydrated and soothe with warm teas. Staying hydrated will thin out your mucus and help the membrane function correctly and prevent blocked sinuses. Many people swear by drinking liquids, especially hot liquids, to help relieve a stuffy nose. Although it's certainly important to stay hydrated, the effect of hot liquids on congestion can mostly be chalked up to the placebo effect. If you're ready to heat up your own congestion remedy, try hot teas, such as chamomile, ginger and green tea, hot soups like chicken noodle, or a glass of hot water with a dollop of honey and some lemon. Using humidifier or vaporizer. Humidifiers help break up congestion by adding moisture to the air, which then thins the mucus in your nose and relieves blocked nose. You can add eucalyptus oil to steamer overnight, which relieves the symptoms of sinus congestion and also helps killing germs in and around the nasal passage that contribute to a sinus infection. Mucous membrane can be moist by running very hot water from a shower and breathing in the vapor and help to unblock the sinuses and relieve symptoms. This is particularly important during winter or in colder climates to keep nose's mucus moist. This may help relieve the symptoms of sinus congestion and encourage the sinuses to unblock. Trying a netty pot. Netty pots are small teapot-shaped devices that help a person pour a salt water solution into their nasal cavity. This may help relieve the symptoms of sinus congestion by keeping the mucous membranes moist and functioning properly. To use this natural remedy, fill the netty pot with a saline solution made of warm water and salt, then insert the spout into one nostril while you tilt your head to the other side, allowing the solution to flow up into your nasal passage and then out the other nostril. When making the saline solution, pharmaceutical-grade salt is recommended. You need to make sure you clean netty pots using distilled, sterile, or previously boiled water that is free of harmful germs. Otherwise it can cause sinus infection itself. Eat or inhale garlic steam. Garlic is believed to have both antifungal and antibacterial properties that make it useful in treating a host of problems, including congestion related to colds. Slice up a few cloves of garlic and put them in a small pot along with a cup of water, heat until steaming, and then carefully inhale the garlic steam at arm's length. Raising head during sleep overnight. Congestion often feels worse at night. This can create a vicious cycle because you need lots of rest to get over a cold or the flu, but the difficulty you have breathing at night can make it hard to sleep. The solution is to help your body stay as congestion-free as possible while you sleep. Put an extra pillow or two under your head, as this will help drain your sinuses. For another natural remedy, try nasal breathing strips, which lift the sides of the nose to help open nasal passages. Apply hot or cold compress. A warm, wet towel held against the face may help relieve the swelling and inflammation of nose and sinus congestion. If you're looking for quick, simple congestion relief, you can create a hot or cold pack using items you have at home. For a ready-made cold pack, take a bag of frozen peas or other frozen vegetables out of your freezer, wrap it in a towel, and lay it across your face. For a hot pack, wring out a wet washcloth and heat it in the microwave for approximately 1 minute. Before laying it across your face, be sure to check that it's not too hot. Thanks for watching and hope you found this video useful. If you liked it, please thumbs it up and subscribe to our channel for more tips.